I have the right to protest universally.
Listen.
Scam me. Are you detaining me, sir?
Yep.
Universally. Scam me.
On the 7th of December, 2023, Orlando police responded to Universal Orlando after security issued a formal trespass notice to an intoxicated man who returned to the property. The charge: trespass after warning under Florida Statute 810.09, a first-degree misdemeanor. The subject claimed his speech was protected by the First Amendment. That claim is constitutionally incorrect. The First Amendment restrains government, not private property owners. Under Lloyd Corp v. Tanner, commercial properties have no obligation to permit expressive activity on their premises. Once a formal trespass notice is issued, returning to the property is a criminal offense, regardless of what prompted the initial exclusion. The speech may have been protected from government censorship. Universal's right to enforce its property boundaries is a separate legal matter entirely. Florida Statute 810.09 requires two elements: prior notice to depart and a return to the property. Universal Security issued the notice. The subject returned. Both elements are met. His claim of being off property is a factual defense for a court, not a legal nullification of the statute. The subject's most significant allegation: an officer physically moved him from off property onto Universal property before detaining him. If true, that is a Fourth Amendment unlawful seizure under Brendlin v. California. The first officer's body camera is the dispositive evidence. It is not in this footage.
Did you call an Uber? Michael.
Scam me.
Did you call an Uber?
Universally. Scam me. Universally.
Did you call an Uber?
Sir, I have the right to protest universally.
Listen.
Scam me. Are you detaining me, sir?
Yep.
Universally. Scam me. Universally.
This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna walk on the sidewalk. Come on.
Universally. Scam me. Universally. Scam me. Universally.
Oscar 388 headquarters. I have one whiskey Mike 1015. Come on.
What would you like me to do, sir?
We're gonna walk this way.
Sir, you're putting me towards you're putting me towards
You're already on Universal property, so you're gonna be arrested.
No, I wasn't, sir.
You're gonna be arrested.
I was not on Universal property. You pushed me on Universal property. No, I wasn't, sir.
So you're gonna be going to jail.
I was not on Universal property, sir.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, well, you can talk to my lawyer. I'd like an attorney, please. I refuse to answer any questions until I get an attorney. I'd like an attorney, please. Please have everything recorded. I was over there not off of Universal property. Yes, sir. I was off of Universal property, sir. I was off of Universal property, sir. Please, you can take me to jail, whatever you like. I like an attorney. I refuse to say anything in the court of law. I like an attorney. I was off of Universal property. Please give me an attorney. I like your supervisor. Please give me a supervisor. Please give me a supervisor. Please give me a supervisor. You have no jurisdiction to arrest me right here, sir. I like a supervisor.
Oh, that's fine.
I like a supervisor right now.
You shut him off.
Headquarters Oscar 388.
You guys gonna put him in there and transfer him?
Yeah, as long as you ride with them, we can do that.
Yeah, we'll do that. All right, let's go, man. Let's go.
I can't.
Nope.
Where's the supervisor, sir?
Right here. He's coming.
Where's the supervisor, sir?
He's on the way. I told you already. Supervisors don't teleport. I gotta get on the vehicle and drive over here.
He's gonna teleport?
So supervisors don't teleport as soon as you ask for one.
Well, sir, I'd like a supervisor before I enter the vehicle.
Yeah, he's on the way over here.
Sir, I'd like a supervisor before I enter the vehicle.
They're gonna meet me over here at the
Sir, I'd like a supervisor before I enter the vehicle.
You know what?
Sir.
You can sit right here. Sit right
Yes, sir. That's fine. I'd like a supervisor before I enter the vehicle. Yes, sir. I'd like to know when I'm detained for, when I'm arrested for. Yes, sir. Please, sir. Okay, so you like to go. What's your badge and ID number, sir? Can you say it for the camera? What's your badge number?
You'll get that when you get the report.
Can you get your badge number, sir? Can I get your name, sir? Sir, you have to identify your name as a law enforcement
You know how to read?
supervisor. Can you give
You
me
know
your
how to
name,
read?
sir? You have to give me your name,
Do you
sir.
know how to
Can I
read?
give you your name? No, I don't know how to read. Can you please
I
give
gave
me
you
your
my name when I made
Can you please
contact
give me
with
your
you.
name? I have to know your name. Can you please give me your name, sir? Sir, can you please give me your name? So this is on body cam. Officer is refusing to give me his name and cooperation. Can I please have your name and badge ID number, sir? Sir? Can I please ask why I'm being detained? Your badge and ID number, sir?
I explained it to you already.
You're not giving me
Yeah, you're not
your badge and
comprehending.
ID number. There's nothing to comprehend. Can I please have your badge and ID number? You never gave it to me.
Okay, I gave you my name earlier.
You'll never give it to me? Okay.
So I gave you my name earlier.
Okay. Please, on body cam, show me that this officer is not giving me his badge and ID number. Can I please have your badge and ID number? Nothing? Nothing, officer? I'm so sorry, sir. Do you mind if...
Or mind what?
You don't know if I tell me why I'm being detained?
I'm sorry, I just got here. If you
No
didn't
problem,
notice,
sir.
I don't know why you're being
Do you mind?
I could take a wild guess without even knowing.
What would you guess, sir?
Trespass.
Well,
After
sir,
warning.
I was off of Universal Property.
After warning.
So if this officer dragged me past property...
Was he trespassing earlier?
No, this
They
officer
never made
dragged
contact
me
with him. I
across line.
trespassed him back there, and we escorted him off property. He came back.
No, sir. This
so
officer
it's a
dragged me
verbal?
across
Look,
lines.
you got it on.
It's
you got it on video.
Paper.
No.
You got it on video the first time you told him to leave.
Go ahead and try. I'll talk to my attorney. That's okay.
That's all. That's all. At this point,
Hey, it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. No
He's
problem.
still coming? Or?
No, I'm
he's on
chilling. I'm chilling, brother. I'm
Just wanna
chilling.
make sure you still.
I ain't got nothing. I'm
good.
chilling.
You know.
Chilling. Can you guys
got a
give me to
little
get
bit
my
to drink?
car?
Michael,
Yes, sir.
are you on vacation or what's going on?
I live here, sir.
Oh, you live in Florida?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what do you
I have no idea why Universal is being so prejudiced towards me, sir.
why do you say that? Prejudice, why?
Well,
Yeah, because I'm sorry, we got cut off. So you were saying that they're a scam, why?
I'm sorry?
We were talking earlier, you were saying that they were a scam. Why is that?
Well, I mean, I was trying to get my car, and
Okay.
they wouldn't let me, and then I don't know what happened. Here I am.
Okay. Because we got a call earlier
Yeah?
saying that there was somebody that was drunk trying to get in their car. Is that
Oh,
you?
it wasn't me. No, sir.
Okay.
I didn't drink
Khaki
anything
pants,
tonight.
white shirt.
I'm sorry?
Khaki pants, white shirt.
Wasn't me, sir.
Okay.
Must have been another person.
So you had nothing to drink today at all?
No, sir.
Okay. How come you didn't just get somebody to pick you up?
I'm sorry, sir.
How come you didn't just call somebody to come pick you up?
I did.
Oh,
And then as I was sitting here, I guess I was detained against my will. I don't know what's going on.
So you're just waiting for the person?
Well, I was waiting out here,
Gotcha.
just saying that Universal's a scam. I was waiting for my ride, and
Oh, yeah.
apparently they didn't like the fact that I was saying Universal's a scam. But I was past property. I was saying, universal free speech. I have the right to free speech.
Where
My
were you
First
exactly?
Amendment right. Past the bridge down there, sir.
So how'd you end up here?
This officer dragged me down here past Universal property. He dragged, and you can see it on body camera.
That far?
Excuse me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can see it on body camera. If he turns on his body camera, you can see him drag me down all the way, probably 100 yards. And I asked him, sir, what are you doing? And he said I was being detained. And I asked him for a supervisor.
Okay. Yeah, he's on his way. He's on
Yes,
his way.
sir.
Don't worry.
That's why I asked for a supervisor, because he dragged me down all this way, about 100 yards. Yes, sir.
Oh my God.
Yes, sir.
That's a trick. Yeah, you should be in it.
Honestly, sir, I'd be down to just leave, but this officer decided to drag me down on the Universal property and make it a distress. So I mean, like, I would be down to leave, but if this officer wants to make it a an issue, I can contact my attorney. I talk to my attorney regularly. I have an attorney. That's fine. I'd be down to just leave. But if he wants to make an issue out of it, that's no problem.
When did you leave? Like, when was the car situation?
About
Like an hour ago?
I honestly don't remember, sir. To be honest with you. And I don't mind. I go to ticket clinic for every one of my tickets. It's okay with me.
You go to what?
Ticket clinic.
Was that like an app?
Ticket clinic. It's a website. You can go ticket clinic.
They like fight it for you?
Yeah, they're lawyers. Lawyer referral program.
Oh,
Yeah. No, it's the reflection. Have a good night, officer.
He's coming back. He's getting his
Take
car.
care. Oh, he's coming back?
Yeah, he's getting his car.
Oh, okay. I hope he drives safe.
Sure he is.
Good.
So where do you live, Michael? If you don't mind me
I live
asking.
here.
Like where?
I live in Orlando.
Orlando?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
I have an annual pass here.
Oh, really?
And I'm wondering why I'm being treated with such disrespect.
What would you like me to do so they're not
No, you were fine. You
so tight? Well, I mean, they're like super tight.
I'll loosen him up in a little bit, okay? Just gotta
Okay.
wait. Just gotta wait for the other officer.
I mean, like, what would you like me to do so you can loosen them now? Because they're like digging into my.
Well, I gotta wait for the other officer
There's
to come
nothing
back.
you can do to loosen them up now.
Because they're digging in my wrists. They're really hurting me. They're like hurting me. Like really bad. They're hurting me. I feel like I'm losing blood flow in my wrist right now. They're hurting me really bad, officer.
Okay, Michael.
Is there any way you could loosen them, sir? Like I'm just sitting here abiding by your wills, sir. Is there any way you could
Alright.
loosen them? I feel like my wrists are losing blood flow circulation. Sir?
Okay, you gonna listen to me or?
I mean, yes, sir, but I feel like my wrists are losing blood flow circulation. Are you gonna do nothing, sir? I'm asking you to help me, and my
Let's get his car.
sorry, sir.
We're gonna help you tonight.
I'm wondering why I'm being detained. I was past. Sorry, I'm.
You need medical attention or?
Yeah, I don't know. These handcuffs feel like they're circulating. I feel like my blood flow is getting cut off.
All right, stand up, Michael. Come on. Get up.
Can you help me, please?
Okay, but you gotta straighten your legs. Okay. All right. There we go. 1, 3. All right. 1, 2, 3. All right.
My wrist here is like.
Yeah, there's just a lot of pressure on it. The more you pull around, the more it's gonna get, dude. They're metal. Well, were you asked to leave Universal earlier today?
Oh yeah, but I went past the property.
You can sit back down, Michael.
I can't. It hurts so bad. Oh my God, it's so tight. Please, it hurts so bad. Can I call 911, please?
He untightened them,
It hurts
and
so
he
bad.
gave you a second
It
cuff.
hurts so bad.
Okay, well, I can't.
If you're not gonna allow him to do it, he can't help you, dude.
It hurt. I mean, what do you want me to do? It hurts.
So stop moving so we can fix it.
I didn't move, sir. Can you please call 911?
I'm already here.
I need an ambulance, sir. I need an ambulance.
For what?
It hurts, sir.
How are they gonna fix
What am I
that?
being detained for?
Well, you were asked to leave earlier tonight, and you came
Yes, sir.
back. Okay.
I left the property, yes, sir.
Huh?
I left the property, sir.
Yeah. Well, they
left
basically trespassed you from the property. You come back onto the property, which is now a criminal offense.
I did not come back on the property,
Well,
sir.
that's not what they're saying.
Well, I did not come back on the
Well,
property, sir.
there's a lot. Unfortunately, a lot of this is their property. So,
Well, I did not come back on the property, sir.
no, that's what you're detained for. That's what you're probably getting arrested for.
Okay, sir.
So, trespass after warning.
I do not wish to argue with you.
No, I appreciate that.
And this officer, not this officer, I'm sorry. The other officer, if you look at his body camera, I was off of the property, past the stop sign, off of the property when he detained me. If you wish
Did they walk
to,
you all the way back here?
I'm sorry?
Did they walk you all the way back here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I swear on my life, I swear on God, I swear on everything.
Same drag.
Headquarters Officer
You
388.
dragged you all the way back here, right?
I swear on my life, I swear on God, I swear on everything.
3D? Yeah.
I swear on my life, I swear on God, I swear on everything.
Okay.
He dragged me from there to here, yes, sir.
Okay.
And
Well-
I will leave the property. I do not care.
It's
if
unfortunately too late now. Now you're in handcuffs.
no problem.
And they're pressing charges. So that's between you and Universal Studios. Okay?
Yes, sir.
We're just here doing what we need to do for the criminal offense. So whatever gripe you have has to go up with Universal. Okay? Anything else I can answer for you tonight?
No, sir.
Okay.
On 3. Stick your leg up. Stick your leg up. Oh, never mind. Got that?
The subject invoked his right to counsel repeatedly. Under Edwards v. Arizona, that invocation stops custodial interrogation. 2 caveats apply. Officers were not asking incriminating questions, they were explaining the arrest. And the right to counsel does not prevent arrest or require an attorney before transport. The handcuff pain complaint is evaluated under Kingsley v. Hendrickson objective reasonableness for pretrial detainees. Officers eventually double-cuffed the subject. The delay was a procedural gap. An officer does not need supervisor authorization to address a pain complaint where no safety risk is introduced by adjusting restraints. Officers receive a B+. Patient de-escalation, accurate legal explanations, and appropriate supervisor coordination. The grade drops for the unresolved property line conduct by the first officer, the delayed handcuff response, and the badge number refusal legally defensible but a missed opportunity. The subject receives a C-. Physical compliance and genuine awareness of rights are credited. But each legal claim was applied incorrectly. The First Amendment fails on private property. The attorney invocation was valid but untriggered. And the property line dispute belongs in a courtroom, not a sidewalk confrontation. 3 takeaways. First, the First Amendment does not follow you onto private property. It restrains government only. A theme park can exclude you for speech it dislikes. The remedy, if any, is civil, not constitutional. Second, invoking counsel is powerful but specific. It stops custodial interrogation, not arrest, not transport. Invoking it when no interrogation is occurring does not change the outcome of the encounter. Third, a factual dispute about a property boundary is a legal defense, not an arrest defense. Officers arrest on the facts available to them. The resolution of disputed facts is the court's job, not the sidewalks. Let us know if there is a legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.